Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video. Obviously click the notification bells button and also give this video a like because it really helps the channel a ton. In this video we're gonna be talking about the My Rain app, which is the Rain 4G app. But before we jump into that, I just wanted to remind you guys of the two giveaways going on the channel right now. The first one is the Me True Wireless buds that I'm giving away. I made a video. On that video I said I was going to pick one person between the 5 first comment left on that video, and when that video got to 100 likes I was gonna give away this guy here to one of those first 5 people. I don't know if I make sense, but just to explain again, when that video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to pick one winner between the first 5 comments on that video. The other giveaway is obviously the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 that I've been preaching about, I think, for a month now. Now, when the video on the Xiaomi, this video here, when this video here reaches 1,000 likes, I'm going to pick the winner of this guy. Some of the other requirements of this giveaway are obviously in the description of that video as well as on Instagram. All right, so to this video, as I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the My Rain, which is the app for the Rain 4G network, and I'm going to kind of give you guys my first impression and whatever I see that I need to address when I actually register or even download the Rain app on my Android device. Now, so I actually didn't know of the existence of this My Rain app. It was actually one of you guys that left a comment that Rain already has an application where you can apparently manage your stuff. Now, I first tried downloading it on iOS, but then I realized, or I read on the Rain website, that the iOS app is not yet available, but they already have the Android app, and that the iOS app was coming pretty soon. So I'm going to be installing it on my Hisense H40. We're going to obviously download the app first. All right, so to download the app, we obviously have to go to the Google Play Store. I did search for it earlier on, but as you guys can see, it's no longer here. Let's search for My Rain, which is the name of the app. Okay, so I've started recording again. I'm kind of recording the screen of the phone so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Obviously, I have my second angle right there. But yeah, hopefully this won't fail again. Now let's go back. I have as I mentioned, I have the application downloaded. Here, let me open it. It's actually quite pretty. It asks me for my email address and password. Obviously, if you already have an account with Rain, you can just log in with your email address and password, I'm assuming. But so far, I dig the interface. It kind of reminds me of Take a Lot because of the blue and the white. Let's see if my old account will actually work. All right, so as I had mentioned before, I actually had problems with my old account, and again, I tried signing in here and it tells me that the email address is not registered in the system. So I'm going to have to create a new account, which is actually what most of you are gonna have to do when going through this process. So right below the sign in, you have new to Rain. I guess that's where you go. I don't guess, actually that's where you go to create your new account. So I'm gonna go new to Rain and go to Rain. Okay, so it's sending me back to the website to create a new account. I can do it directly from the Rain app, which is already a negative. So let me create an account on Rain and I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right, so I'm kind of back now. I decided to stand up and go do everything by the main PC, which is much easier to do this kind of thing by the PC when it comes to registering, and then come do the rest here on the phone. And I've also discovered that I actually had another account that I think had registered back in 2017 or 2018 that I never ended up using. So when I registered it again last year, I used a brand new account, and that's the account that was cancelled. It's just a confusing mess right now. But I managed to fix the old account, got a new password, and now I'm going to try and sign in with that account for the first time here on the app. Obviously, I'm not going to show you this part due to privacy. So what I already told you guys, this is the main screen. This is where you're going to log in. If you actually did forget your password here, you do remember me. Or actually, if you want the app to remember you and you come back, you click on remember me, and I'm guessing it's going to do that. And then you have terms and conditions down there, and then you have new to Rain. This is to register, which we found out that it takes you back to the website for you to do this thing. But all right, now I'm signing in, tells me terms and condition, wants me to actually accept terms and condition. Okay, I'm going to save my new password. Allow Rain to access your device location. For now, I'm just going to allow it. So this is the main screen. It tells me update your personal details and payment method and view your current bill and past invoices. So this is for me to manage my account. And then on the next slide, you have get your billing info. And then you have UI in control. So I'm just gonna click next, so it takes me to the main page. So this is me. It's saying that it got my location as Malvern, but that's not my location. I am not in Malvern. Shows me the weather condition, and that's about it on the first main screen. I'm thinking this is the home screen. So let me click home. Yeah, this is the home screen, and then you have my orders. This is most probably when I do order the Rain 5G, I'm going to be able to search or to see the status update of the order from here. Right now, as you can see, it shows that I have nothing because on this account there is nothing. And then you have my account, which is my personal information, which obviously this part I'm not going to show you. Okay, I'm not going to show you the top part where it has my name, surname, email address. There's this phone number, and there is a ID or passport number. All right, so apart from that personal information on top, then you have payment details. So you have card type, holders name, card number, expiry date of the card. You have payment history, which I have none, and then you have your invoices. It's actually a pretty straightforward app. So one other thing is, apart from the buttons that you have down below where it says home, my order, and my account, on your top left corner you can actually also click and see more of your information, and it actually gives you my full name, which obviously I'm gonna blur this information out because my phone number is also here. So it's my full name, my email address that I have registered on Rain, and my phone number. And then you have my Rain, so you can also get to your Rain from here. You can get to your account also from here. You can get to your orders from here. You can change your notification. You have support, and then you have logout. So if I go inside notification, this are most probably your previous notifications that Rain has sent to you. So it says stay up to date with all the latest notification and updates from Rain. So let's say my order is on my way. I'm guessing it's going to be here, or maybe if I have to pay for Rain and my payment is due, I'm also pretty sure I'm going to get them this side. And that's literally it for the Rain app. First impressions, obviously I really like the interface. It's simple, straightforward, basically just like the website. I actually also think that the website is really straightforward. I don't know how many people actually get lost on that website and they think that I can really find. That's it for this video. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comments if you were able to sign in really easily and your thoughts on the app. Is it really better than using the website? Is it more convenient for you to use the app than using the actual website? So let me know all this down in the comments. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I might do a follow-up when I actually do have something under order, just to show you guys how it actually populates your orders. But other than that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you also like this video, obviously, and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And obviously I'm going to check you guys on my next one. Peace.